Hi, I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group. Today we're going to discuss how to start a shoe shop. Great shoe shops are hard to find. When I speak with people interested in starting a shoe shop, I like the LCC approach: location, cobbler, and clients. Regarding location, you want to be sure that you're in a high traffic area. A cobbler. Great cobblers are hard to find, and it's becoming a lost science. Be sure you find a cobbler that's passionate about what they do, because that will be demonstrated in their quality. 3, clients. Clients are everywhere. Be sure that you offer specials, that you educate your clients, and also that you have that hometown feel. Again, LCC as you start your shoe shop: location, cobbler, and clients. I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group.